Yo, we are back with another one. We're going to be going over what trade I took and how you could have done the same to make money because realistically, these concepts are very important when starting out and they'll allow you to make money long term also. So listen up and pretty much fast track your journey with trading. So, what happens today is actually very simple. We have daily bear structure. Naturally, we see this candle here. So, just think potential like reversals considering how much indecision it shows. So, we scale down a little bit to actually make a decision on which direction we're going to be trading today. And honestly, I was 50-50, but my bias was more on the bearish side considering we filled equilibrium right here. A little bit more of that, more like a 61.8 fib retracement. At that point, I'm looking at 4 hour structure, which was already bearish, right? We already saw this. And then I scale down to the hourly to see that the hourly is also bearish. So I'm just thinking either one market can probably just react off of this entire area and just go higher, or market can go ahead and make a move lower. So I'm thinking, okay, but most likely the hourly is bearish, the 4 hours is bearish, the daily is bearish, even though this previous candle right here was an indecisive candle. We'll still continue within the bearish bias. But we have to take into account that we may very well reverse. With that being said, we scale down a little bit more. So New York opens here, and I noticed this insane impulse. Really, when market opened, I was like 15-minute is bearish, nice. So I'm gonna scale down a little bit more. 5 minute is also bearish, amazing. So realistically, I should have took this trade right here, and normally I would. When I saw this retracement back in to the order block, I was already looking at this, and I was saying I was trying to go short really on the break of structure here. However, the issue with this was that news was coming out at 8:30. With that being said, PPI tends to be very difficult to predict. So I like to wait because it tends to sweep liquidity before it makes its original move, i.e., this one right here. When PPI comes out, we get a massive sweep, and 15-minute still closes bearish here. Because had it closed above here, it would have been bullish. So I'm thinking, oh, awesome. Hourly, 4 hour, daily, 15-minute, all of them are aligning. So I just need to scale down a little bit more and make sure that the lower time frames are also aligning, which is pretty much what I do. I noticed that the hourly here, the 5 minute, sorry, is bearish. And for people who don't know how to trade, this would look like a break of structure. However, breaking structure means closing a body close above the last green candle's wick. So it would have to be above here. So with that being said, I was like 5 minutes bearish. So all I really need at this point is just a 1 minute break of structure. So I was pretty much just waiting for that. And unfortunately, my take profit got front ran quite nicely here. We noticed that I just wait. I see the break of structure. I still wait a little bit more, get the reaction, and I pretty much was about to execute, but this candle just moved pretty fast, so I couldn't execute at that price. That's just me being real. But ideally, yes, I would have loved to execute at the close of this candle. But until I sent to the Discord and all that, and took me about a whole minute to just enter lots, all that just took a while. So I pretty much put my take profit at the body close here. Should have probably put it a little bit higher, and I pretty much got really close, but never actually ended up hitting it. So I did not make any money on this trade. In fact, I lost money. So with that being said, this was the first loss, and then I just waited a little bit more into market open because I figured, okay, this is likely going to be a liquidity sweep here for everyone that was shorting off of that reaction, and then market will make its move lower. So I pretty much stick around and wait and notice this first break of structure right here and enter on the pullback. And my first take profit was the 5 minute low because, well, the risk to reward went allowed for it because it was a 1 to 2.7. So I could pretty much make my first take profit here, the second take profit here, and then just keep on going lower. But this was the first take profit, and we managed to secure enough to make the day a profitable day because we secured by like 1.4%. And yeah, this made the day profitable. and we're up 0.4R off two trades. So this goes to say how your winners can eat your losers even when you only hit your first take profit and only manage to take out half your size. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one, and join the Discord because I sent all of this live and everyone pretty much gets this in advance. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you did find this education or you do want to learn specific concepts, let me know because I'm here to help.